Hello everyone out there. Today we will discuss measures taken by the governments for the development of women entrepreneurs. The growth and development of women entrepreneurs required to be accelerated because entrepreneurial development is not possible without the participation of women. Therefore, a congenial the environment is needed to be created to enable women to participate actively in the entrepreneurial activities. There is a need of government, non-government, promotional and regulatory agencies to overcome and forward and play and supportive role in promoting the women entrepreneur in India. Development of women can be achieved through the health, education, and economic independence. Realizing the importance of women entrepreneurs, Government of India has taken a number of measures to assist them. Government of India has formulated various training and development employment generations program for the women to start their ventures. There are various steps taken during different 5-year plans. In the seventh 5-year plan, a special chapter on integration of women development was introduced by the government. This 5-year plan, that means the integration of women development, includes or focused on specific target group, arranging training facilities, developing new equipments, marketing assistance, decision making process. These are nothing but training programs which are given to the women entrepreneurs who wish to become women entrepreneurs. Steps taken during the eighth 5-year plan. In the eighth 5-year plan, Government of India devised special programs to increase employment and income generating activities for women in rural areas. There are some popular schemes like Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, Women in Agriculture Scheme, KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, integrated rural development programs. I think majority of you come from rural area and these schemes are very much familiar to you all, as I think, because many of you have got benefit of this scheme. Steps taken during ninth 5-year plan. In the ninth 5-year plan, Government of India introduced some schemes for promoting women entrepreneurship, trade-related entrepreneurship assistance and development, women component plant, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, Swarna Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana, State Industrial and Development Bank of India like Mahila Udyama Nidhi, Micro Credit Scheme for Women and Mahila Vikas Nidhi. These are all some popular plans either related to financial assistance or training assistance or like taking up challenging venture. These schemes have led them to assist in the initial stages to the profiteering stage. At present, successful entrepreneurs like Indra Nooyi, Chandra Kochar, and Aditi have immensely encouraged other women entrepreneurs to turn their dreams into reality. However, A big part of chasing one's entrepreneurial dreams comes with the challenge of accumulating capital for launching the business. The Indian government has realized this necessity and have come up with a variety of schemes across multiple industrial sectors to fulfill the dreams and aspirations of women entrepreneurs in India. Here are the different schemes and initiatives through which the Government of India is giving funding and support to women entrepreneurs. The popular ones are the Women Entrepreneurship Platform, Bharatiya Mahila Bank, Tena Shakti Scheme, Mudra Yojana Scheme, Annapurna Scheme, Shri Shakti Loan for Women Entrepreneurs. All these schemes either they provide training support or financial assistance to women entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching this video.